What's up, guys? Welcome to another Banana of Luxury video. Today, this hillbilly has texted us. Said that he's been hearing weird sounds outside of his house. Today, we are gonna go explore and find out what is happening over to his house. He sent us this video for proof. Hello? 5 likes and we'll do another Banana of Luxury episode.
Oh no, man. Do we really do this?
Yes, bro. If they need our help, we're going there, bro.
Fine. What's so wrong with this anyway? We're gonna do.
Alright, I think this is the house. Just knock on the door. Oh, it's already open. Okay, that's nice. Oh, hillbilly! Minky?
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry, voice crack. Hello?
Alright. Yeah, I think this is the basement that he showed us in that video. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, Minky.
Oh, Minky. Can we sit down and talk?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what's been happening here for the past nights?
I just been hearing strange noises.
Oh. No, don't! So, is it okay if we put up cameras around your house, including the bathroom?
I want to clean the toilet.
Is it okay?
Yes.
No. Alright, come on, Chester.
High five.
Let's sit one right here.
I'll sit one right here. I'll sit one in the bathrooms. I'll sit 3 in the bathrooms. Bathrooms.
Can I put some in his basement?
Alright, I got camera. Oh,
Be careful, he might be in here.
Wait, where do you sleep?
In
here?
I sleep all the way. I sleep.
Sorry, just had a burp.
Wait,
I sleep right here.
Alright, let me just put a camera in here.
Hey,
oh wait, I already did.
And my room is right here. And I sometimes fall down all the way to the basement.
Hey. Oh, what's your name? Jonathan.
My name's not Hey.
Oh, where do we sleep?
Oh yeah. Do you have any spare rooms?
Yeah.
Can you show them? Show us them.
Yeah, I wanna sleep.
Yeah, I'm tired. Oh, okay. Hey, we have our own separate beds now. Let's go.
Yeah, bro. I'm tired.
Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep now.
This one's wet, bro. Can I sleep with you?
Bro, I'm not sharing. Fine, let's just go to sleep.
Yay!
What is he? You fatty?
That woman or man is screaming.
The hillbilly? Okay, hold on. Let's just get over there. I need a water, bro.
Yeah, bro. Let's go get some water. Oh. Where's some? Yo, hey, where's the fridge?
We're gonna help you. Oh, too late. Well, that's another banana of luxury video. Time to get back to our house. Go, go, go! Ah! Go! Go! Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! Run! 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 Anyways, you know the drill. 5 likes and I'll do another banana of luxury video. So, yup, that's it. Like and subscribe. But who was that silly with like and subscribe? Banana out.